Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Maths channel. And here we continue the solve differential equation. This time I want to talk about the exact form of differential equation. And what is the definition of exact form of differential equation? Exact form of differential equation means that the right hand side here is a function of x and y dx times plus n xy, another function of xy times dy. Then exact form means these two parts can be transformed to d something. For example, dw xy. We assume if satisfy this relation, we call that this form is exact form. Okay. Now, if I suppose this is exact form, that means we differentiate w. This is a two variable function. Then we run w, run x times dx plus run partial dw, partial d w with respect to y times dy, and compare these two parts, this part and to this part and this part to this part. We can have two relations. One relation is m actually equal to partial dw, partial dx, and n equal to partial w, partial y. In this time, if we partial differentiate m once more with respect to y, that means partial y, partial m, partial y. This becomes 1w, 1x, 1y, and the n we partial dn with respect to x, 1n, 1x. In this case, if these two functions are equal, that means partial d this function with respect to y and partial d this function with respect to x. If these two functions are equal, see, if they are continuous and differentiability, and this should be two functions are equal, then we can achieve actually this form can be transformed to this one. Therefore, we have to check first. Partial dm partial d over partial dy is equal to partial n partial x. That's the first one. Second, how to find the function of w? Actually, we only need to integrate m with respect to x and check whether it is equal to integrate n with respect to y. Therefore, the second step is w is actually equal to integrate m with respect to x, and w is integrates n with respect to y. First, this is a two crucial step of solve the exact form of differential equation. Okay, now we start a example. Okay, and I multiply this dx into this one, and 6xy squared plus 4x cubed y times dx, 6 squared y plus x4 plus ey dy. In this case, the m is equal to this one, and n is equal to 6 squared y plus x4 plus ey. And first we have to check 1m 1 over 1y equal to 1n over 1x. Therefore, 1m over 1y. Partial differentiation of y, which is equal to 6 times 2 12xy plus 4x cubed. And for the second, 1n over 1x equal to these two. 12xy, oh, they seem equal, and 4x cubed. And this one should be 0 as related to x. This is e to the power y is a constant. Therefore, this is plus 0. Okay. Oh, they are same. Good. So nice, so nice. And then next step we have to find the w. W for the function of m, we integrate m with respect to dx. This integration, we only focus on the variable x. That means 3x squared y squared plus x power to 4y plus a function of y. The constant should be function of y. Please be careful. This part we have to compare the two integration. This integration and this way integration. They have to merge. They have matched to be same function. Okay. Then on the other hand, we can calculate w by using n. By using this function. Integrate this function with respect to dy. And this is 3x squared y squared. The second term is x4 times y. The last part is e to the power y plus a function of gx. Okay, then compare these two functions. We can conclude a function of w. W should be this term we obtained, and this term, and also this term should be equal to this term, and plus a extra constant. As the gy is nothing in this function, therefore the gx should be a constant, c1. Okay, then this differential form, this exact form can be transformed to, I do a copy paste. Therefore, this can be transformed d 3x squared y squared plus x4 y plus e to y plus c1 equal to 0. Then integrate on both hand side. We have this, and this is c1 here is c. Therefore, we don't need to c1 here. This is the general solution of the differential equation of this. General solution of this differential equation. Okay, thank you. Hope the guys can enjoy this video, and please finally please subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye.